Favor of the consent agenda?
Aye.
Opposed, abstentions? And the ayes have it. All right, being we're talking about personnel, before we move on to more discussion, for the last probably 3 or 4 meetings now, this Board of Education has been going into executive session. One of the main discussions had to do with a new superintendent for the Carmel Central School District. And we've pondered that discussion quite a bit, and the board has authorized me to tell you that we will be, as of this evening, we will be entering into negotiations with Mr. Andy Irvin as our next superintendent of schools for the Carmel Central School District. So we worked hard on this. If we went throughout the area of our area, a lot of districts have taken this path. And sometimes the cliche is, you know, happiness is right next door. So his office is next to Dr. Ryan's, so it's probably a decent cliche. So the board did work hard on this, so we will be entering into negotiations. I don't know if an applause is good now, but we'll applaud that. Okay, so we'll move on for discussion.